Hello, I created a human head practice mesh to train sculpting heads. Okay, it looks like this. You get two heads in front and side view, and when you sculpt on one mesh, the other mesh is also affected. But let's start. The best is you start with a new scene and delete the sphere, and then use the add to scene option because you don't want to destroy this practice mesh, and then add the head practice mesh to your scene and you start with a new scene. And what can you do with it? First you see here you can select here your sphere, and this is the sculpting sphere, and you see here a skull in the center. It's for reference, and you can hide the parts you don't want to see. You can hide the skull, you can hide the female reference in this in the side views, and then you can try to sculpt your head. You can use the move brush, select the mesh you want, move brush, select the other one, adjust it a little bit, and use the project tool with a line and adjust your head a little bit like you think it's okay, and use the move brush, bring out the nose and the eyes, and you see in the front view, is it correct or not? You can here adjust it a little bit like this. And if you want to check your work, you can make the views visible like this, and make sure that you're in the correct front view. And here it's possible to refine your work like this. And if you want to check the side view, look at this. Okay, and then you can use again the move, adjust here the head a little bit, and with a smaller radius the nose, like this, and check the other view. Okay. So, and then you can hide again the views and smooth everything. Here you see the mouth is not correct. It's more like this then, and in this view not like this. And smooth it. And it's also possible to change the opacity or the material to opaque, that you see it in the opaque view. And yes, and smooth. Smooth and sculpt. Here you see your wireframe. I think it's time to subdivide the mesh a few times and create details. So let's check the mouth. Is it correct? And so I change the material back to additive, and then I hear the nose is a little bit too big. Yes, adjust it here. And then it looks like a face. So in perspective view you can check it, and here I think this we can bring a little bit out, like this. So, and then you can check again. In real life. Perspective off. I think here with the move brush we can go a little bit here inside. In the perspective, when it doesn't look good, you can change here the vertical field of view. Yeah. Now it's time to sculpt. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.